What's up, y'all? So we are now in
Kumamoto.
Oh yeah, that's where we at. It's far south of Japan. We're planning to go all the way up to Tokyo. How long do you reckon it'll take?
It's probably gonna take like 1 to 2 weeks.
Something like that.
Yeah.
And we have these little 50cc boys. These max out at speed limit 30 kilometers per hour. So it's gonna be damn slow. Oh yeah, it's gonna be damn slow. And yeah, come with us for the ride.
Today's day one.
Today's day one.
Let's do it.
Let's get it. See. Half an hour in. First problems, are we good? What happened just then?
Oh man, ちょっと the engine didn't turn on. でもまあちゃんといけました。
So we were just driving in the mountains, and then Toki just pointed out that there's a massive waterfall here. How'd you find it, bro?
Oh man, just my sense.
The senses.
Sixth sense.
Yeah, he's got that waterfall tingle. This is the beauty of Japan. We always just find things randomly on the side of the road, and they just happen to be usually the highlight of traveling. Because it's just these little natural features that you really just see on the side of the road, and no one's here, they're not public. It's just nature. Holy fuck, dude. Just had a stop in the outskirts of a town called Hita. Very random place, but it's nice after a day of riding and some cold swimming to have a nice warm coffee and a steamed chicken and a piece of plastic and a bloody mochi.
これはね、Japanese のオージースナック、じゃがりこ。Pretty good.
Are they? Are they potato fries?
But it's a mini size though. you can find a large size. It's pretty good.
But yeah, we're gonna continue aiming towards Kyushu. Your sister's house. If we can get there, it'll be great. Hopefully we can.
Yeah, it's about, by car it's about 2 hours away, but we're going pretty slow, so probably gonna take about 4 hours.
Yeah, potentially. We're going pretty slow, but on the downhills, you know, sometimes we go a little bit faster. Alright bro, where have we just come?
Yayoi Ken for the dinner. This morning having dinner.
We're doing it guys. It's
Set the menu.
let's get this shit off. Fuck boy. Alright, the time is 9:23. That's pretty sizable since we started driving at around 1, so it's been about 8.5 hours. Which is good, and we've covered good ground, hey?
Yeah.
Very good ground.
Taking so much time, but at the same time.
Yeah, and we're pretty fast. We're a lot of it's downhill. Alright, well, let's eat! Let's itadakimasu this bitch. Oh.
もういつもの定番のメニュー。ほらおすすめ。おかわりし放題、あんなぐらいもらえるしね。
Holy shit.
肉野菜炒めと、こちらがナスとピーマンとポークです。でこっち塩サバです。
Shit. Food was eaten. It's 10:30. We're sleepy. 15-minute ride to Togi's sister's place. Let's go.